Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Oh no. Not another tornado warning. I have to check my weather app on my phone to find out where the tornado is going. We have to take shelter. The tornado is heading for our house. To the basement.
Is everyone prepared for the tornado? Does everyone have their masks for shielding your faces from the debris? Latios, you don't need a mask because you have psychic powers. Did everyone find a hiding spot to hide from the tornado? Wait, David, you need to hide somewhere. There is a giant drawer for you to hide.
I'm scared.
Oh no. The tornado is here.
Ivy, calm down. It's going to be okay.
Diesel? Diesel?
He just got sucked up by the tornado.
No, 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 no. When the storm passes, we have to find him and see if he's okay.
Oh no, Latios got sucked up too. Wait, he'll be fine because he can fly.
It stopped. Let's see if it's gone. It is gone. We survived. But we don't know if Dad survived. I'm going to get David out of the drawer. Thank goodness you're okay. But your dad got sucked up. We don't know if he survived.
Wait a minute. Latios used psychic to drive away the tornado. I know he used it because I know the sound of psychic. Now let's see if our dad is okay.
There he is. Dad, wake up.
I'm okay. Thank goodness my mask saved my face. Look, the roof is gone. Let's repair it. Wait, Latios, can you repair the roof? Thank you for repairing the roof, Latios. Now we can go back inside.